Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you 7 ways on how to make money online as a teenager. And so this video is for people who are 13 and up. And so let's get started right now. So guys, before I get started, I just want to mention that these methods that I'm going to show you today is for people who are 13 and up. And even though it's 13 and up, you still may need parent supervision on some aspects of what you're going to be doing online. So make sure your parents know what you're going to be doing online, because you will have to have access to like bank accounts and so forth for you to actually get money out of these platforms that I'm going to be showing you. And it's best if you have your parents have knowledge that you are using these platforms. Okay, so that's my disclaimer. So you can use any of these methods to make some money online, guys. Okay, and some of them you can make a lot of money. So I hope you pay attention. This is going to be a good one for you. I'm going to start off with some sites that are going to be easy for anybody to just jump on and start making some money. Okay, and then I'm going to gradually go to better methods that can make you big money. Okay, so the first one is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a get paid to site, meaning you can do tasks to earn things. Okay, but look at this. I mean, just signing up, you get $10 bonus, and so that's really cool. So what you're gonna do here on Swagbucks is that you could do several things. Okay, you're gonna all the activities that you do on Swagbucks, you're gonna be earning points, and those points will be converted to either PayPal cash, which can be downloaded to any bank account. So this is real cash that you can convert, or you could do gift cards to any shopping stores that you want to go to. They've already paid out over $400 million, so this is definitely a legit site. I've been using this myself, this site, for a long time, so this is not a scam or anything. This is totally legit, and everything that I'm going to show you is legit. Okay, so I'm not going to repeat myself. Everything that I'm going to show you is legit, and I'm not going to show you things that are not going to work. Okay, all right, so you can see the Trustpilot here is 4.3. And Trustpilot is one of the third-party review sites, so you can really do trust this rating, and it's legit. So I'm just gonna quickly show you how to earn with Swagbucks. You're gonna have surveys that you can participate in, and you could do shopping. But shopping is actually getting cash back, so you're not really gonna be earning money. You have to spend money to earn, so that's not very good. Okay. And be careful of Discover, because that's just trying different offers, and sometimes the offers may make you put a credit card in there, so you may not want to do that either. So you want to maybe watch videos online to earn money, or do searching online to make money, or play games and do other things. The rewards is just where you can go and redeem your points. But these are the ways to make money with this site, as well as if you invite friends, you can also earn referral money with this, and it's going to be a good amount of money, because you can earn 10% for life if you get other people to use this and they use this actively. Okay, so you can read about all this and how you can make money from referring other people and doing other activities on here. The second site I want to show you is at qme.com. So this on the left corner here, qme.com. And what you're doing here is you're going to share your opinion, shop, and search to earn real cash rewards. So you can earn cash and not swag or points. So this is going to be really good if you want to earn directly to cash. So what you could do is do surveys. Okay, so take QME paid surveys on your laptop or mobile and earn cash rewards. Share opinions on brands and see your earnings grow daily. Earn when you shop. So this is you can use the shopping device if you and your parents are doing some shopping online. This is a great way to get cash back for doing shopping. Okay, sometimes they have coupons, and sometimes you get cash back, so it just depends on what the offer is. You just need to look at it. Say earn cash with our specially chosen offers, whether you're looking to change your internet provider, or buy a new phone, or even start enjoying a weekly meal plan. Our hand-picked money earners, you'll get a free cash reward at the same time as doing something you were going to do anyway. And then you could earn when you search. Okay, so you could just use their app here to do your internet searching, okay? So you can get paid just to do internet searching. This is very easy. Earn cash when you search on your favorite sites with the free QMe browser app. Go about your daily searching online and earn cash rewards with QMe results. Simply click on the result that interests you to collect the reward in your piggy bank. So this is very easy stuff, guys, okay? So I'm not going to go too much into this one, but that's how you just sign up, very easy, and get going and do your searches. So the third one I'm showing you is GrabPoints.com. Here, GrabPoints has 4 things that you can do for money. Actually, it's not just gift cards, because one of the gift cards is PayPal. So PayPal goes directly to your cash account, to your bank account. So you can earn cash with this site. So what you can do is literally just watch videos and earn money, or you can answer surveys and completing offers and downloading apps just to earn money, okay? So it's very easy to do. So how it works is that there's going to be brands and companies that want your opinion, and so they go to GrabPoints to have GrabPoints recruit people like you and me to do their surveys, and then you can do other online activities like watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, and downloading apps, and then you get the free cards, free gift cards or PayPal cash. So once you have enough points, you could just either get your favorite items or just get cash to your bank account. And there's tons of testimonials for this site. I've reviewed the site before, and it's a really good site, and they do pay out and everything. So this is a really good one to try. So the fourth one I want to show you is called Slice the Pie at slicethepie.com. So this one, you get paid for your opinion on songs, okay? So you could make money by listening to music with this app, and it's pretty awesome, okay? So what is Slice the Pie? Slice the Pie is the largest paid review site on the internet. You earn cash for every review you leave. Your feedback on tracks, clothing, and lots more goes directly to help artists, record labels, and brands make decisions. So it's not just songs. I thought it was just songs, guys. So it's actually a lot more than just songs. So it's songs and other products, basically. They just want to see how your opinion is, and if you review them, you could get paid for each review that you do. So the better your reviews, the more you will earn. Join millions of reviewers now. So they've already paid out over $5 million, guys, and 44 million has been submitted. 44 million reviews have been submitted. So there's a lot of opportunity here, guys, okay? So that is going to be a great site. So that's the fourth site. The fifth site I want to show you is called Etsy at etsy.com. So if you want to sell something, this is a marketplace where people go shopping for handmade goods. So if you know how to make something, you can sell it on here for very cheap, because you don't really need to have any monthly costs, in the sense that they don't charge you until you start listing products. So if you just open the store right now, just to open it, you're not going to get charged for anything. And once you start loading products listings on there, then they charge like 20 cents per month per listing on here. And then if you actually sell something, they do have some transactional fees, but it's very minimal. And it's not just handmade. So it's handmade plus anything that you create digitally. So if you want to do like printing t-shirts and whatnot, you can do that on here as well, okay? So you can just look on here and search on here what kind of products that people are selling, and kind of do similar items or do your own thing, okay? But the thing is that you want to kind of niche yourself down to a particular theme that you want to sell for your store. So it's pretty cool stuff that you can do on here if you're very creative and know how to make some products, okay? Now the sixth site that I want to show you is Fiverr.com. This is the place for freelancers. So if you know a skill, if you could do something that you can offer a skill to somebody, people will come and buy it from you, okay? So if I just scroll down a little bit, this menu pops up, and I can see, look at all the different things that you can sell on here, okay? If you have any type of skill, okay, in graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music, programming like IT stuff, business items, lifestyle stuff, and real estate, like different industries here. Like really, there is literally so many different skills that you can sell on here, and you could really be selling your gigs or your skills for as low as $5, but you don't stop there. Look at this one. If you get really good and get pro certified, you could be selling logos for 1,300. Like that is insane amount of money. Okay, so this is a definite option for you guys. So if you have a skill, you can offer it to people here, and it's like free too. Like you don't pay anything until you sell something again. So if you sell one of your service, then Fiverr does take about 20% as a fee, and then you get paid out to your bank account that way. And then, so that was the 6th way. And the 7th way I want to show you is that if you wanted to be an affiliate of Amazon. If you know about Amazon, Amazon is a huge online retailer, right? So you can use their products on there that are, especially the ones that are best selling, you can use those products and sell for yourself. And if you are an affiliate for Amazon, in fact, there's many companies like Apple and Nike and Target and Walmart, and so many brands have affiliate programs, it's called, okay, where you can promote their products to earn commissions when people buy from your affiliate links. And so this is a business model that I use myself, guys, to build my online business, and I'm still using this business model because I love it. And it's not just Amazon, like I say, it's so many businesses offer affiliate programs. But you guys, if you really want to learn how to build this proper way and the right way to do it, you will need to have some training, okay? Just like if you're going to college to learn something for a particular job, you do need to kind of study how to be an affiliate. It's not like one of these other sites that I'll show you in the beginning where you could just get on a site and start making money. It's not like that, okay? You do have to have a little bit of learning of how this works, but it makes big money. Like I'm using this to make a full-time online income to use this business model, okay? But so where I learned how to use this business model is right here at Wealthy Affiliate. But in order for you guys to come to this website with my face on it, and you do want my face on here, because if you sign up with me, guys, I am going to be your free coach on the platform, and it's somebody that's been through the training, that's have success stories on my profile to show you that I am a success story of this platform. So you want to work with somebody or sign up with somebody that actually knows what they're doing, and this is me, okay? So workanywherenow.com is a website that I built from the training at Wealthy Affiliate, and I use affiliate marketing to make money from this site, and it's been a success story. So, and for you to get onto this site with my face on it, you need to use my affiliate link, which is workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. Okay, so once you use that link, you will eventually get to this site with my face on it. Then you know that you're at the right place, and if you're at the right place, then you can have me as your premium coach if you decide to upgrade. Okay, so initially you can actually go on the site for free. Okay, no credit card required. So you could get on to the platform. Take a look on your left menu. You can look at the training under the training tab right there. Go through your first level, because that first level is free with your free account. There's 10 lessons in there, and you can already get a free website with your 10 free lessons, okay? So this is a great option for you guys to learn this incredible online skill that can make you a lot of money, guys, okay? So if you want to follow my footsteps, I will be by your side and help you along the way. And I've been helping thousands of people since I've been there since 2016, guys. So I am what you call a veteran of this platform, I guess. One of the ones that been on here for a while and have great success. So if you go on my profile, you will see my success after success after success posts, and you can learn from my journey. Actually, I put a lot of golden nuggets for people to learn from my experience. And so I really hope you would join me at workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama and make some real online income as a teenager, guys. Okay, so I'm a stay-at-home mom. Okay, I'm not a teenager, and I'm able to do this. And I know you guys are very smart as teenagers, and I know if you can listen to this video, I know you can listen to those lessons, because those lessons are also text as well as video as well as tasks at the end of each lesson to make sure you are on track and making progress on your website. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, guys, but I have no idea when they come out, so get notified. Okay, I hope I'll see you on the next video. See you later. Bye.